These are ready. We're supposed to leave by 11. It is 11:23, and Flaco is still not in the truck. Still waiting for him. He's the one that overslept. Diao woke up early. I woke up early.
I woke up at 9.
Well, no one has you waking up at 9. Crazy. Yeah, we're gonna go to Corpus. Anyways, I woke up early at 10 when my alarm rang. Flaco stayed asleep and Gio stayed asleep. So there's that. And now I'm just waiting for Flaco to move his ass so we can leave. He's taking super long. I don't know what he's doing. This is our Air BnB.
Mommy, I have to go pee.
Well, you have to wait because Stella's in there.
No, I
When you come in, there's the little bunk bed, the bedroom, restroom. Stella's in there.
Mommy,
Little living room, little kitchen, little balcony.
Wait. You hold it.
On the beach. Let's go to the beach. It's like, I'm very going to the beach.
Yeah, we can go to the beach. Mom, we can go to the beach.
You gotta think.
For us four, it's a good size. If you have a family bigger than 4, I don't think so.
Let's go watch TV, Daddy.
We drove all the way to Corpus just to watch Hunter x Hunter. Love it. Diallo came with me to Half Price Books. I'm gonna try selling my books. Flaco stayed in the truck because Gio's asleep, so we're gonna do this on our own. Boy. Oh. When you're obsessed with the strawberry passion tea and you don't want to leave it behind. I put it in Gio's cup. We're back at the condo. The boys want to go to the beach, so we're going to go walk.
It closes at 10 and it's 9. We can go to ocean. I want to go to the boat.
Oh, jeez. So they want to do lots of things. We stopped at H-E-B just to buy a little bit of like grocery. We just bought like some fruit, some cereal to eat for breakfast, some donuts, like little snacks for the boys, and waters. And we also got some books at Half Price Books. Where are the books still? So I ended up finding Witches. It's not the original cover, but it was only $3.49 and it's in super good condition. I found the one that I needed. City of Fallen Angels. No. And this one was $9.99. It's hardcover. And then it says right here that it has an exclusive never before seen letter from Jace to Clary. And it has the letter. So that's exciting. And then Thiago bought 2 books.
This one?
He got this one, Supernatural, for $12.49. It's super cool. So it says explore the unknown from Atlantis to zombies, and it just like talks about like all kinds of like supernatural things. I actually really like this one. I'm gonna read this one too. And then he got this one. He's obsessed with dragons. Dragonology. This one was $10. And it's just like a book about dragons, and it has like little stuff
About them.
Oh wait, that one opens too. That's cool.
I liked it.
Yeah.
Mommy,
Yes.
have those.
No.
What?
We're off to the aquarium.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
We're ready?
We're ready. Good morning, guys. We were gonna come to the aquarium.
Morning, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. But let me show you all the situation. That's just the line for the tickets, which we would buy online anyways. But then in the entrance, there's like a line outside. So we're not about that life right now. I think right now we're just gonna go down to like the shoreline area and maybe get the bikes. Diago did that when he was a baby, but Gio's never done it. Gio's actually never been to Corpus, so I think we're gonna do that. The weather's nice. It's kind of drizzling in some areas, so that's good, but it's still super sunny. We're back in the apartment to cool down.
You good?
Why make that face? I have never eaten mochi before, so I bought this one just because mango sounds very refreshing. And we're gonna try it. No.
Not on Twitter.
Let's try it.
I don't want one. Yeah, ice cream.
That's what they look like right now. They're super, super hard.
They're super, super cold.
And they're super, super cold. It says for us to let them sit outside for like a minute or two. They look like little cupcakes.
But we're both inside.
It was in a while. I didn't see it, y'all. Oh, that's 6 in the morning.
Yeah, Flaco's watching the game.
Look at me.
What do you think?
My receiver was white or
You didn't like it?
No, it has frosty and I hate frosty.
It's not frosty.
Mommy,
It has a really weird consistency, and I don't think I like it either.
mommy.
It's like a little layer of like bread or something.
Mommy, receiver. What's lights? Mommy, I'm gonna talk to you on the phone.
What?
So where was lights? What block?
Ciel got a mango lemonade. Gio got a strawberry lemonade.
Oh, there you go.
And mommy got a blue lemonade, which the lady told me it's like blueberry.
Berry.
Daddy got a
And daddy
Dos
got
Equis lemonade.
Dos Equis lemonade. Is daddy silly? Okay guys, we're back home and we get home to find that our dogs killed a cat and left it in the front of our door, and a grub worm killed my agave plant like completely. Flaco just touched it and it fell out. It was so gross, and we found the grub worm on the bottom. And right now I'm just washing laundry. I also took a shower. I don't know, I just felt so dingy, so I was like, I need to get in the shower. So right now I'm just gonna clean, unpack, hopefully. And I think that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this weekend with us. I will see you all next week. Bye.